those bracelets. Ano yan, please cherish them kasi gawa yan sa mga old costumes namin. It were from our old costumes. So it's 1:1, it's very unique and very special. Only 8 persons. Sino ba yung mga nakakuha dito? Do we see the 8 persons? Kasi iba yung energy talaga dito sa Canada, di ba? Especially dito, sa Winnipeg!
Iba talaga yung energy nila, and you know who else has energy at Manoy?
Sino?
Our besties, syempre! We hope you enjoy the next performance. If there's anyone na nakakaalam kung ano yung pagod namin on stage and sumasalo sa amin, whenever we're running out of breath, running out of time, sila talaga yun.